morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about descriptive and limiting adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives describes or modifies and add meaning to the noun or pronouns. Adjectives are divided into limiting and descriptive adjectives. Let's start with the descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives talks about the kind, size, or color of a noun or a pronoun. Example, that is a fast car. Fast is adjective and car is noun. There are two kinds of descriptive adjectives. They are the common descriptive adjective and the proper descriptive adjective. Let's start with the common descriptive adjective. A common descriptive adjective is a general description. It begins with a small letter. Example, happy childhood, extravagant party, luscious ice cream, and long gown skirt. The number 2 is the proper descriptive adjective. A proper descriptive adjective is a specific or particular description and begins with a capital letter. It also derived from a proper noun. Example, Italian tourist, French perfume, Filipino athlete, Hawaiian princess. Let's now proceed to limiting adjectives. Limiting adjectives indicates quantity, number, or limit in some ways. They show which one, how many, or how much, and whose. Limiting adjectives could be pronominal numeral adjectives. Let's proceed to pronominal adjectives. Pronominal adjectives is a pronoun that works as an adjective. It modifies the noun instead of replacing it. The pronominal adjectives are 1. Demonstrative, 2. Interrogative, 3. Possessive, 4. Indefinite, and number 5. Distributive pronominal adjectives. Let's proceed to number 1, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives points out a definite person, place, or thing. They are singular, this and that, and plural, this and those. Examples, this book cost me a fortune. And number 2, are those clothes for sale? Number 2 is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are adjectives that show ownership of the nouns. They modify the noun and did not replace it. Examples, his project will represent the school for the academic fair. And number 2, the newly constructed house is my dream house. And number 3, the indefinite adjectives. Indefinite adjectives are adjectives formed from the indefinite pronouns such as all, most, any, anyone, someone, one, few, many, etc. Examples. Most alumni supported the fan run. And number 2, there are few patrons queuing at the gala performance. And number 4 is distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are adjectives referring to a members of a group individually. These include every, each, either, and neither. Examples. Each pupil supports the environment project. And number 2, neither of you can appease the feelings of Miss Joy. And number 5, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives used in asking questions. They come before a noun. Example. Which way should we take? Number 2, what food do you want to eat? That's all for today, grade 4. Thank you for listening and God bless you. See you again next time.